Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can delete your Messenger account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find chats, people, and right here, you're gonna find your stories. So right now, I'm gonna go back to chats. Right here, you're gonna find all of your conversations. So right now, in order to delete Messenger account, just go ahead and click on the sandwich icon in the top left corner. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find your chats, marketplace, message requests, and lastly, archive. And here in the top, you're going to find this gear icon that will take you to settings. Go ahead and click on it. Then you're going to be right here. So basically, guys, once you're here, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find Account Center. Go ahead and click on See More in Account Center. And then once you do that, this will take you to this page. Right here, you're going to find your profiles. And under it, you're going to find Account Settings. Right here, you're going to find accounts, personal details, password and security, your information and permissions, add preferences, and lastly, Meta Pay. So go ahead and click on personal details, and this will take you right here. Here you're going to find your contact info, birthday, identity confirmation, and lastly, account ownership and control. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to find memorialization. And under it, you're going to find deactivation or deletion. Go ahead and click on deactivation and deletion. And right here, go ahead and choose the account you want to delete. Then right here, you can either choose to delete your account or to deactivate it. And then click on continue if you are sure about deleting it. Choose why you are deleting the account and then click on continue. Then you're going to be able to delete your account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.